skill-based card games can pay real cash through competitive matches, but the biggest difference is whether you're entering a cash tournament, earning rewards, or simply playing for virtual currency. In 2026, that distinction matters more than the game title itself. By the end, you'll know 5 card games worth checking, how each one handles real money competition, and what to look for before putting any money into a match. Number 5 is A21 Blitz A. Available through Skillz, it combines blackjack-style card values with solitaire gameplay. Skillz lists both free and cash competitions, so you can practice the game before entering paid matches where they're available. The format rewards speed and decision-making, rather than traditional casino-style play. Number 4 is Ein Solitaire by Skillz. This is a competitive version of Solitaire where players can enter matches against other players. Skillz provides free games as well as cash competitions, depending on eligibility and location. If you already know standard Solitaire, the learning curve is relatively straightforward because the core rules remain familiar. Number 3 is In Solitaire Cube. This is another Skillz-powered solitaire game built specifically around competitive play. Players can compete for real-world prizes in eligible cash matches, while free games provide a way to learn the scoring system before risking an entry fee. Number 2 is Spades by Skillz. Spades adds a multiplayer strategy element, because your decisions affect both your bid and your partnership. Skillz supports cash competitions for eligible players, making this a stronger option if you prefer traditional card strategy over fast solitaire rounds. Number 1 is In Blackout Bingo. Technically, Bingo isn't a traditional card game, but it's one of the strongest Skillz titles for players searching for competitive games with real cash prizes. Skillz lists free matches, cash matches, and real-world prizes, making the cash competition model easy to understand. If you want strictly traditional card games, I'd focus on A21 Blitz, Solitaire by Skillz, Solitaire Cube, and Spades by Skillz. If you're willing to include competitive games outside traditional cards, Blackout Bingo belongs on the list because of its established Skillz tournament system. There's one detail you should check before depositing. Skillz says cash competitions aren't available everywhere, and eligibility depends on your location and other requirements. Entry fees also mean that a cash prize isn't the same thing as guaranteed profit. So the quick ranking is Blackout Bingo, Spades by Skillz, Solitaire Cube, Solitaire by Skillz, and 21 Blitz in. Start with free matches, learn the scoring system, and check the current cash game rules for your location before entering a paid competition. If this ranking helped, like the video and subscribe for more real money game comparisons.